Getting sound effects can be somewhat time consuming and frustrating, especially when you're trying to find a specific sound. I understand. Here is a place where you can get free sound effects for your project. Download SoundQ by searching for it in your Google browser. To use this website, simply click on freesound.org. Choose your preferred sound effect, drag and drop it onto your timeline. That's it. Don't forget to follow for more videos and to share this video to help someone in need of this information. I'll see you in the next one.